Seniors, this oil improves blood flow in your legs fast. Seniors, listen closely. Your legs could be losing circulation right now, and you may not even feel it. That heaviness, the numbness, the slow walking, it's not just aging, it's poor blood flow. But what if one simple oil used the right way could start improving circulation fast? Stay with me because what I'm about to reveal could change how your legs feel starting today. If you're over 60 and experiencing dizziness when standing up, cold feet even when the room is warm, or heavy legs at night, stop ignoring these symptoms right now. These aren't just normal aging. They're urgent messages from your blood vessels crying out for help. Today I'm revealing 7 oils that research shows can clean your arteries and boost blood flow naturally. But here's what most doctors won't tell you. When you combine 2 specific oils in the morning, one enhances the circulation effect of the other by multiple times, creating a powerful synergy that transforms your vascular health faster than using them separately. Before we dive in, type just one word in the comments: dizziness, coldness, or heaviness. I want to see which circulation symptom affects you most. Here's what you need to understand. Poor circulation doesn't usually appear overnight. It develops slowly as inflammation builds up inside the arteries and blood flow becomes less efficient. When oxygen and nutrients cannot reach the brain, heart, or legs properly, your body responds with fatigue, numbness, cold extremities, and mental fog. The encouraging news is that this process isn't fixed. Science shows us that certain natural fats, especially specific oils, can calm inflammation, support the lining of blood vessels, and help blood move more freely. As you're watching this, think about the oils you're currently using. For years, people were told that all fats were dangerous. Many switched to highly processed vegetable oils without realizing those choices could actually worsen inflammation and stiffen arteries over time. What we eat every day quietly shapes our circulation, either helping blood vessels relax or pushing them toward damage. Today, we're walking through 7 oils that research has linked to healthier arteries and better circulation, along with clear guidance on how to use them properly. Let's start with number 7, sesame oil. This one may surprise you because it's been used quietly for centuries, yet often overlooked. What makes sesame oil special is its unique antioxidant profile, especially compounds like sesame and sesame, which help protect blood vessels from oxidative stress. These antioxidants support healthier blood pressure and reduce low-level inflammation inside the arterial wall, which is one of the earliest drivers of plaque formation. Sesame oil helps calm the endothelium, the delicate inner lining of blood vessels that controls how well arteries relax and contract. When this lining is protected, blood flows more smoothly, delivering oxygen more efficiently to the brain, heart, and legs. Another advantage is its relatively good heat stability for light sautéing or gentle cooking. However, moderation matters. Using too much can add unnecessary calories and may worsen lipid balance in people with high triglycerides or cholesterol issues. For most adults focused on circulation health, 1 to 2 tablespoons per day is a reasonable upper limit. Number 6 is avocado oil. I often recommend this because it fits naturally into a heart and circulation-friendly lifestyle. Avocado oil is rich in omega-9 fatty acids, especially oleic acid, which has been consistently linked to improvements in cholesterol balance. When oleic acid replaces refined carbohydrates or damaged fats in the diet, LDL cholesterol tends to decrease, while protective HDL cholesterol is better preserved. This shift directly reduces the conditions that lead to plaque formation and arterial narrowing. Another reason avocado oil stands out is its impressive heat stability. It can handle higher temperatures without breaking down into inflammatory byproducts, making it safer for sautéing, roasting, or even light pan searing. From a metabolic perspective, avocado oil is especially helpful for people with insulin resistance or type 2 diabetes. Stable blood sugar and healthier fats work together to reduce vascular inflammation. At number 5, we have virgin coconut oil. This one often creates confusion because it behaves very differently from most other fats. Virgin coconut oil is rich in medium-chain triglycerides, or MCTs, which are metabolized quickly by the liver instead of being stored as body fat. These fats are rapidly converted into energy. From a circulation standpoint, this matters because excess stored fat and insulin resistance are closely linked to vascular inflammation and plaque buildup. What's especially interesting is how virgin coconut oil influences cholesterol transport. Studies show that when used in small controlled amounts, it can raise HDL cholesterol, the good cholesterol. HDL plays a key role in reverse cholesterol transport, meaning it helps carry excess LDL cholesterol away from the arterial wall and back to the liver for processing. Another advantage is stability. Virgin coconut oil is highly resistant to oxidation when heated, making it less likely to produce harmful compounds during cooking, compared to many refined vegetable oils. However, it's still high in saturated fat. For most adults focused on heart and circulation health, limiting intake to about 1 teaspoon per day is a sensible boundary. At number 4, we have black garlic oil. This is a fascinating example of how food processing can actually enhance health benefits. Black garlic is made by slowly aging fresh garlic under controlled heat and humidity, which dramatically increases its antioxidant capacity. One of the key compounds formed is salsi. This compound helps neutralize oxidative stress inside blood vessels, which is a major driver of arterial damage and plaque formation. Research suggests black garlic oil can help lower LDL cholesterol while supporting mild vasodilation, meaning it encourages blood vessels to relax just enough to improve circulation. This translates into better blood flow to the brain and extremities, especially in people who already feel cold hands, cold feet, or leg heaviness. Because of its concentrated nature, black garlic oil is best used as a functional addition rather than a main cooking oil. Mix a small amount into salad dressings or use it like a supplement to gain its circulation-boosting effects. Coming in at number 3 is flaxseed oil. This is one of the most powerful plant-based oils for vascular health. Flaxseed oil is the richest natural source of alpha-linolenic acid, a form of omega-3 that plays a critical role in calming inflammation throughout the body. Chronic inflammation inside the arterial wall is one of the key reasons blood vessels stiffen and lose their ability to regulate blood flow smoothly. Omega-3 fatty acids from flaxseed oil help protect the endothelium, the thin inner lining of blood vessels that controls clotting and vessel tone. When this lining is healthy, the risk of abnormal blood clot formation decreases and blood moves more freely. This is especially important for people concerned about stroke risk, leg circulation, or early signs of atherosclerosis. However, flaxseed oil must be used carefully. It's very sensitive to heat, and cooking with it destroys its beneficial fats and creates harmful byproducts. It should always be used cold, stirred into yogurt, salad dressings, or smoothies. At number 2 is extra virgin olive oil. This is one of the most extensively studied fats in cardiovascular science. Large population studies and clinical trials consistently show that people who consume extra virgin olive oil daily have a significantly lower risk of heart disease in some cases, by as much as 40%. What makes extra virgin olive oil unique is not just its fat profile, but its high concentration of polyphenols, natural compounds that actively reduce inflammation inside blood vessels. Those polyphenols help protect LDL cholesterol from oxidation, which is a critical step in preventing plaque buildup. When LDL stays in a less reactive form, it's far less likely to stick to the arterial wall. Extra virgin olive oil also supports healthier lipid balance overall, helping lower total cholesterol while preserving HDL over time. This creates an environment where arteries remain more flexible and responsive. Another advantage is versatility. It can be used for light cooking without losing its protective properties, but it truly shines when used raw, drizzled over vegetables, mixed with lemon juice for dressings, or added at the end of cooking. For most adults focused on circulation and heart health, 1 to 2 tablespoons per day is enough to see benefits. Consistency matters more than quantity. At number 1, we're not talking about a single oil, but a smart combination. When chia seed oil is paired with extra virgin olive oil, something powerful happens inside the blood vessels. You're bringing together 2 different but complementary mechanisms. Chia seed oil delivers a concentrated source of plant-based omega-3, while olive oil contributes polyphenols that actively protect and soften the arterial wall. Together, they create a double effect that supports cleaner, more flexible, and more responsive blood vessels. Omega-3 fatty acids from chia oil calm inflammation inside the vessel wall and help reduce blood viscosity, meaning blood flows more easily. At the same time, the polyphenols in olive oil protect endothelial cells and support nitric oxide signaling, which allows arteries to gently widen and contract as needed. This is especially important for people over 60, where vessels often lose elasticity and peripheral circulation begins to decline. Here's what I like about this approach. It's simple and practical. 1 teaspoon of chia seed oil combined with 1 teaspoon of extra virgin olive oil mixed into warm water with a few drops of lemon creates a gentle morning ritual. The warm water helps absorption, while lemon supports digestion and adds mild antioxidant support. Clinically, this combination is particularly helpful for older adults who notice cold hands or feet, leg fatigue, or early signs of reduced peripheral blood flow. Now let's talk about how to use these oils the right way, because this is where many good intentions go wrong. Even the best oils can lose their benefits if exposed to excessive heat. High-temperature frying causes oxidation, and once an oil oxidizes, it can trigger inflammation instead of reducing it. Whenever possible, gentle cooking is better, and using oils raw often delivers the greatest vascular benefit. Antioxidants and delicate fatty acids are highly sensitive to light, heat, and air. This is why storage plays a surprisingly large role in circulation health. Oils should always be kept in dark glass bottles and stored away from direct sunlight or heat sources. Another common mistake is overuse. Healthy oils are still concentrated sources of fat, and more is not better. For most people, 1 to 2 tablespoons per day is enough to support cholesterol balance and circulation. Consistency matters far more than quantity. Now, I want to warn you about oils that are quietly causing harm, especially after age 60. Highly refined vegetable oils, such as industrial soybean oil or mass-produced canola oil, are a major concern. These oils are heavily processed and stripped of protective compounds, leaving them rich in omega-6 fats that easily fuel inflammation. This inflammatory load irritates the endothelial lining, making arteries more vulnerable to stiffness and plaque formation over time. What makes this especially problematic is how common these oils are. They're used in packaged foods, restaurant cooking, and even products marketed as healthy. Repeated exposure creates a background level of vascular stress that the body struggles to repair, especially as we age. Another major issue is reheated cooking oil. Oils used repeatedly for frying undergo chemical changes that produce free radicals and toxic byproducts. These compounds directly damage the inner surface of blood vessels and reduce the ability of arteries to relax. I also want to warn you about misleading labels. Terms like light oil or cholesterol-free sound reassuring, but they often signal highly refined industrial oils that have been deodorized, bleached, and chemically altered. From a prevention standpoint, label reading becomes a form of self-care. Oils described as cold-pressed or unrefined are more likely to retain protective polyphenols and stable fatty acids. Let me summarize the 7 oils for circulation health. 7. Sesame oil. Antioxidants that protect blood vessels, 1 to 2 tablespoons daily. 6. Avocado oil. Oleic acid for cholesterol balance, heat stable for cooking. 5. Virgin coconut oil. MCTs for energy and HDL support, 1 teaspoon daily. 4. Black garlic oil. Sling for arterial protection, use as supplement or in dressings. 3. Flaxseed oil. Richest omega-3 source, use cold only in salads or smoothies. 2. Extra virgin olive oil. Polyphenols for inflammation reduction, 1 to 2 tablespoons daily. 1. Chia seed oil plus extra virgin olive oil, powerful combination for maximum circulation support. If there's one thing I hope you take away from today, it's this. A single spoonful of the right oil can act like daily medicine for your heart, brain, and entire circulatory system. But the key lies in choosing the right oil at the right time and using it in a way that supports, not harms your blood vessels. Here's my challenge to you. Pick one oil from today's list that you haven't used before. Maybe it's flaxseed oil, maybe black garlic oil, or the chia and olive oil blend. Use it consistently for 7 days. Pay attention to your body. Do your legs feel lighter when you walk? Is your blood pressure more stable? Are you thinking more clearly or sleeping more soundly? These small shifts are signs that circulation is improving and your arteries are starting to respond. Then come back to this video and tell me in the comments which oil did you try? What changes did you notice after? 7 days? Your experience will help other seniors understand the power of these circulation-supporting oils. If you found this information helpful, share it with someone over 60 who's dealing with circulation issues. This simple change could improve their quality of life significantly. Subscribe to my channel for more evidence-based health guidance designed specifically for seniors over 60. Remember, let your kitchen become your medicine cabinet. Swap out what's not serving you and give your body the support it needs to thrive as you age. If you want stronger legs, better circulation, and more freedom to move, don't ignore this. Start using this oil consistently, and you may feel the difference sooner than you expect. Your body can still heal no matter your age. Take action today and give your legs the support they deserve. Take care, and I'll see you in the bath.